And immediately there is that swing into the left-handed Sadbeg. That he does. Another play and a miss. And the gap still found. Just a couple of runs. Just a slip.
He's lucky. There, oh, he could have really hurt himself. The whole weight of that body goes down to that ankle.
Cut away. He found the gap, which was the most important thing. It was a length delivery.
Yeah, more width available, and the bounce was good. It's just that the consistency from the bowlers hasn't been there. You're getting...
Again, full toss, dispatched.
He didn't hit it hard. It was a full toss, got in the meat of the bat. The placement was the key.
Fine edge. Soft hands, kept it down.
Just closing the face, no, or just opening the face. He really didn't intend to play it in that direction. Again, that hesitant push.
Short and pulled away. This is really good batting because and it was hammered onside.
Yeah, a bit erratic with his lengths at the moment, Ismail. He's trying a little too much. You just get that feeling. He's got a very strong offside field.
With the changes in the field, you get a sense that another play and a miss. Given the fact that the ball is moving away, yeah, that's why I think it's so important for bowlers to know exactly the feel that they're comfortable with. Went for the cut shot, flew off the outside edge and gone for 4.
He's only himself to blame. He's bowling a fuller one and then he drops a short one. That's been the pattern in the over. He's done that to the left-hander as well. That's a clear case of flash hard at it.
Nails a yorker. Excellent stuff, but very unfortunate for Ismail. He concedes another 4.
That inside edge just ended up with a boundary. He wouldn't have been out. It's a free hit. But yeah, that was a good ball.
Beautiful. That's a gorgeous looking stroke to end the over. Didn't try to overhit it. He just presented the full face of the bat. 3 overs gone. 38 without loss. Big single. Just gets there, then hit the target. Not feeling short, fine leg.
They're off to a good start. Now they can utilize and capitalize on it. They've got 39.
Put down. There was that one opportunity that they were waiting for. Momin, the fielder, not taking this chance.
Yep, he got there and then it's just popped out for some reason.
Using the aerial route once more, and it's another boundary.
The drive was always on, and this time he elevated that deliberately over the circle. And once it passes that, you're never winning that race as a fielder. Good effort though from Shamil Hussain, the captain. He's a tall man, but the ball still just races away. It's a fast outfield.
Beautiful shot on the up. That's good bat presentation. Wonderful timing. Still played it close to his body. The ball raced away. 4 gone. 47 without loss. Nice piece of fielding. There was an opportunity there for a run out. Not taken once more. On top of their game.
It was a good stop there. And suddenly, well, the captain is not interested. Arbaz is nowhere in the picture. More runs driven through cover, and the chase has been given up. So that's a 50 for the batting side.
After bowling a good length delivery, he goes full and allows for that free scoring shot. Just had to time it well, and that he did. Raced away for 4. This partnership looking ominous now. And again, Captain Saad on fire.
Not really sure with the plan here. Shamil Hussain, the captain of Sharks. I mean, too full again. Scott Moorman, the wrist spinner, the left arm wrist spinner. Just probably try to slow things down here, but now anyway, 1 over to go in the power play. There's 56 on board.
And again, another half volley. Dear, oh dear, this has been an expensive over. 13 from it at the end of 5, 60 without loss.
Kicked in the air. This could be the first wicket. Who wants it? Dropped. Second drop. Should have been taken mid-on and deep mid-wicket. Looked at each other, and that simply isn't good enough.
That's the second drop by Momin Qamar, the wrist spinner. He was able to grab a few in the last game, but not this time. Easy catch there.
Just a single to finish off the power play. It's been all the Hunters. 63 without loss.